Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do a quick tutorial where I just play through some music and I'm gonna show you what I'm using, put the makeup on, quick, easy, simple, so that you can replicate it with whatever makeup products you have. It doesn't have to be these particular items. Some of them might be limited edition, but they are definitely colors that you can find on the market, trust me. I wanted to play with color today, however, I still want it to be technically wearable. Makeup in any style is wearable, but wearable for me because I just wear brown stuff all the time. And so this is the makeup look I came up with. I had so much fun creating it. I actually tried it out yesterday, loved the way it turned out, and said today is a tutorial. So with that said, let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, so that is the completed makeup look. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. If you did enjoy it and would like to be updated for future videos, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. This makeup look, along with all the other makeup looks I have on my videos, will be found on Instagram. First link in the description box down below. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.